Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase download speed in the uTorrent app on Android. If your downloads are slower than expected, one simple setting can help make sure the app isn't limiting your speed. Let's get started. First, open the uTorrent app on your Android phone. Now tap the three-line menu in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From there, tap Settings to access the app's download options. Scroll down until you find Download Limit and tap on it. Now move the slider to the maximum value or select Unlimited, depending on the version of the app you're using. This allows uTorrent to use as much of your available internet speed as possible instead of restricting the download speed. After saving the setting, go back to the main screen and restart your download if needed. For even better results, download torrents that have a high number of seeders, because files with more seeders usually download much faster than those with only a few. Also, try using a stable Wi-Fi connection instead of mobile data, and avoid downloading multiple torrents at the same time. Closing apps that are using the internet in the background can also help improve download performance. Keep in mind that even with the download limit set to maximum, your actual speed still depends on your internet connection and the number of people sharing the file. That's it. By changing this simple setting and following these tips, you can get the best possible download speed in the uTorrent app on Android. This video is made for educational purposes only. The information shared is based on publicly available online sources and research, not on my personal experience. Download speed also depends on your internet connection and the availability of peers. Only download content that you have the legal right to access. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Android